To connect the fireblocker to the extinguishing line, use the connector pre-attached to every unit. You will find this connector at the back of the fireblocker. This is standard in AF-X units. For the purposes of this instruction, we will use a separate connector. The safety cap is a standard accessory, as is the wire short-circuiting the connector to prevent the fireblocker from being activated during transport. For a fireblocker to work, the safety cap and the wire need to be removed before the easy connection to the plug of the extinguishing line.